Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today, as you guys can see in the title of this video, I will be applying the coconut oil and baking soda mask. I did want to make a video on it just to give you guys like the pros and the cons with this mask, and just because there's been people telling me that my skin has been looking really nice, mostly when I go to soccer games that I sometimes go without makeup. There's been girls that tell me that my skin looks very nice and shiny. So today I will be cleansing my skin with this mask. Before we start, I do want to give you the pros and the cons of coconut oil. So coconut oil is very good at repairing and restoring the barrier function of your skin, which is the let's call them the good bugs on your skin. So there's times where these good bugs, they dry out, they just go away. We have a really bad skin and a dry skin, and coconut oil is really good at repairing these. It has vitamin E. It's also really good at hydrating. It's a very good moisturizer, and it has essential amino acids. The cons on this is for people that have acne. And this is, I'm talking about coconut oil itself, because once we mix it with the baking soda, it's going to be totally different. But there's times where I go to sleep with coconut oil on my face, and it actually leaves my face looking really nice. But the cons, if you guys have acne, it would be better if you guys avoid it, and I'm not telling you to avoid this mask. I'm just saying try avoiding coconut oil when you go to sleep or something. Because I'm saying this because I do go to sleep with coconut oil on my face, and I have like a normal skin. I'm actually kind of oily on my T-zone, but the rest is kind of dry, so which is like normal skin. But if you have what's it called, acne, it's better if you don't get near it, or just try to avoid it. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the baking soda. So the baking soda is antibacterial. It's a very good remedy for pimples, blackheads, and acne. It removes the dead skin cells, and it cleanses your pores. And it cleanses your pores. And when you put these together, it makes an absolutely amazing exfoliator, a moisturizer, a cleanser, and an immune booster. I do have mine ready here. Go ahead and use just a tiny brush like this, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. Oh, I got it on my lip. Now that I've applied it all over my face, I'm gonna go ahead and wait 15 minutes. So let me go ahead and start my timer now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my timer now. I'm gonna go to 15 minutes and start. So time's running. I'll be right back whenever these 15 minutes go by. Okay guys, so let me tell you, I have showered already. I washed my face in the shower. I cleansed my face. Then before I even put on the mask, I actually used one of those Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, and I cleaned my face once again. And right now my 15 minutes were up, and I went to wash my face with warm water. I'm actually using a toilet paper, and just look at this, you guys. And I already told you all the things that I had done to my face, and I keep cleaning and just things keep coming out. And look at this. Just look. Can you guys see this? Oh my god. It's just crazy how we think we wash our face and we cleanse our face, and we never know how freaking deep we go. This is just amazing, and my skin feels so soft. And I want to tell you, while those 15 minutes were running, I could feel all the coconut oil melting on my face. So I would wipe it off, and in the same little bowl I would actually clean my finger on here. And whenever the coconut oil was running down, you could see that thing so dirty. It was crazy. But yes, you guys, this is the final results. I really recommend this. This is a very deep cleansing mask. I did forget to mention that if you have sensitive skin, you should do 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This is for sensitive skin. If you have normal skin like I do, you do 1 and 1. And now it's time to moisturize my face. And as I told you guys earlier, I do use coconut oil for my face, but today I will be using Pond's because I actually like this moisturizer a lot too. It's so hard for me to get even any, so I just apply a little dot because it is very oily, and I use the blue one, which is for dry skin. Just run it all over my face. And my forehead. Oh, my skin feels so good. And there we go. Well, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You guys can always subscribe if you want to. If you guys have any comments, or you guys want any other videos in this type of, in the beauty industry, just let me know or leave it in the comment box below. I will be leaving all my social media in the description box below in case you guys want to follow my vida. Other than that, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye bye.